folks. Welcome back to TrumpIt, your go-to source for the latest in crypto news. Let's dive right into today's top stories. First up, Binance and Crypto.com lose ground. Market shares are shifting as Bybit, OKX, and decentralized exchange DEX platforms are on the rise. It's a shakeup in the crypto world as these platforms see a surge while the giants are losing market share. Next, exciting news from Avalanche. The platform has introduced the new Avalanche Visa card, which allows users to make payments with AVAX, taking a big step forward in crypto adoption for everyday transactions. In trading news, the Pump.Fun fee account has made a big move. They sold 503,343 Solana at an average price of $156 per token, netting a whopping $78.7 million. Paul Tudor Jones is making headlines again with his bold statement, "All roads lead to inflation." The billionaire hedge fund manager is doubling down, saying he's long on gold and Bitcoin. Will his predictions about inflation drive more investors towards these assets? Big news from Saylor. The MicroStrategy CEO has announced an ambitious plan to donate his Bitcoin fortune to humanity, inspired by the anonymous Bitcoin creator Satoshi Nakamoto. In regulatory developments, the UAE is stepping up its game. The Emirate of Ras Al-Khaimah has officially launched a framework for decentralized autonomous organizations. Saylor is facing some backlash, with criticism coming even from Ethereum's Vitalik Buterin. Saylor's suggestion that big banks could have massive implications for crypto in one of the world's biggest markets. Finally, Tesla's Bitcoin stash is still intact. According to Arkham Intelligence, Tesla recently moved its Bitcoin to new wallets, signaling that the electric car giant is still holding on to its BTC. Will this reinforce Bitcoin's status as a corporate asset? That's a wrap for today's TrumpIt crypto and political news. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest trends. Thanks for tuning in to TrumpIt. We'll catch you next time.